Ciao,
Ciao.
buona serata.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swati Dreaming. I am here in Padova since last 6 months and here I have heard a lot about bubble tea. Bubble tea? What kind of tea is that? I was really curious and today finally I'm gonna try it. The shop I am going to is Ruchi Bubble Tea and the location is Via Umberto number 38. Now I am heading to Padova Centrale and from Padova Centrale I need to walk 7 to 8 minutes around towards Prato della Villa. Finally, I am here at Ruchi Bubble Tea, and as this is my first time, so I was talking to the person who were waiting outside, and here I came to know that I can choose the flavors of bubble tea that I want to try from this given menu. And the price is same for all the flavors. It's €3.80. I decided to go with the mango flavor. Let's come inside and follow.
Okay, mango syrup. This one is a fructosio. Do you prefer hot? Yes?
Hot, yes, hot.
Okay, hot. Jasmine green tea. And which kind of bubbles? Passion fruit
Sorry?
or the same mango?
Same mango.
Same mango, okay. Okay, jasmine green tea, hot, mango syrup and the mango boba. Okay. Do you drink now?
Yes.
Okay.
So, bubble tea is ready. So, basically, he added mango syrup, jasmine tea, and some mango bubbles. It's time to test it. How does it taste? I will share you later. Here are the bubbles, and I like the bubbles most. Thank you.
Grazie, ciao.
Ciao.
Buona serata. Ciao.
Okay, now I finished most of the bubble tea, and what I can say, it tastes like a juice, hot mango juice, rather than tea. But whatever it is, the taste is good. You may try it. Ruji bubble tea, or you may say Ruji bubble juice. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.